Hi guys, welcome to the Knowledge Guide. This is Nikhil and you're watching Python. So in today's video, we are going to discuss how can we declare fractions in our Python code. So this can be really helpful if you're having a calculator algorithm. For example, sometimes 2 by 3 is often written as 0.66 and so on. So to stop this, you can import fraction from fractions. So this is a library, and then you have to write something like this. Well, it's really not necessary to write it in a printing statement. You can also write it inside a variable. So here, as I mentioned, it returns the fraction this because it cannot be further simplified, and here it can simplify it and then it prints like that. And here, since I have not declared any values here, so it's going to take the value as 0. So if I run it right now, this is how it goes. So like I said, you can also have a variable here. Let's say x is equal to this fraction, and let's say y is equal to this fraction, and then all I have to do is print x and y. So let's see. So here we go. So that's how it works, guys, and thanks for watching and have a nice day.